How to have blank highlight name on Instagram. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. To start off, launch your Instagram application. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged in to your account. To have a blank highlight name on Instagram, what you have to do is simply tap on the user icon at the bottom. It will take to your Instagram profile. As you can see, I have a highlight right here with an emoji. This matches my aesthetic. So, if we tap and hold onto it and tap on Edit Highlight, and if I remove this emoji right away, it will notify as highlights. And it will look something like this on my profile. Now what you have to do is simply tap on Edit Highlight, remove this and just tap a dot and give it a tick mark. It is minimal and it will match most of your aesthetics as well. So as we know, we cannot leave a blank highlight name on Instagram, but the least we can do is the minimum dot. It is a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of a bug issue or a glitch, follow this next step. Press and hold onto your Instagram application and head to App Info. Force stop it and head to Storage and Cache to clear up the cache. This will help to remove the bug or a glitch issue if you face any. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Glitch Sorcerer.